How to contact Temu customer service. Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reach Temu's customer service in case you're dealing with any issues. Whether it's related to an order, a return, a payment problem, or something else. Just make sure to stay with me until the end so you don't miss any of the important steps. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Temu app on your phone. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to log into your account. Once you're inside the app and logged in, we can move on to the next step. At the bottom center of your screen, you'll see an icon labeled You. Tap on that. This is your profile area where you'll find all the personal settings, orders, and support options. Once you're in the You tab, you'll see the customer support icon in the top right. Go ahead and tap on that. Now this is where you'll find several useful features. Temu actually has a decent support center with pre-written articles for common issues. So, before you contact a live agent, I recommend quickly browsing through the available categories. You'll see topics like shipping and delivery, returns and refunds, account issues, payment problems, product questions. For example, if your issue is about returns or refunds, just tap on that category and look through the articles listed. Many times, Temu already provides a step-by-step solution in these guides, so you might not even need to contact support. So give it a quick scan. It could save you some time. Now, if you don't find the answer you're looking for in those articles, don't worry, you can still reach out to Temu directly. Just go back to the main customer support screen and scroll until you find the option that says Live Chat or Contact Us. Tap on that, and in a few seconds, you'll be connected with a customer service chatbot. The bot will usually ask for some details first, like what issue you're facing, your order number, or other information. Now here's the important part. If the bot can't solve your problem, just type "talk to a human" or "need help from an agent," and in most cases, it will escalate the chat to a real customer support representative. Once connected, you can explain your issue clearly, and they'll help guide you through the solution, whether that's tracking your order, initiating a refund, or clarifying a payment error. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily get in touch with Temu's customer support team right from within the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe if you want more Temu tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.